welcome to Pathan's chemistry class. Today we'll discuss a point about unit solid state. The point is packing efficiency. Okay, so in this unit you will learn about packing efficiency of simple cubic, body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic unit lattice. Okay, then this point is obviously helpful for NEET as well as JEE students. Now, what is packing efficiency? So packing efficiency is defined as the amount of space used by or occupied by the atom in a unit cell. Its equation is packing efficiency is equals to volume occupied by atom or atoms divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Okay, now let us discuss about simple cubic unit cell. So simple cubic unit cell, we know it has 8 atoms at 8 corners. That means number of atoms in this case is equals to 1/8 multiplied by 8. It is equal to 1. So in case of simple cubic, just 1 atom is present. And volume of that atom, considering atom as a sphere, is given by equation 4/3 pi r cube, and volume of unit cell is having with edges A is A cube. Okay, therefore your packing efficiency is equals to volume of the atom, that is 4/3 pi r cube divided by A cube multiplied by 100. So this equation will give us packing efficiency. Now here the problem is we have to convert the value of R in terms of A. Now if you see simple cubic unit cell, easily find out that each corner have one atom and they are touching each other. So the edge length here is equal to R plus R, that is radius of the atom. Therefore here A is equals to R plus R, or A is equals to 2R. Okay, that means finally R is equals to how much? A/2. Now substitute this value of A/2 into this equation. Let us see what happens. So packing efficiency is equals to 4/3 into pi r cube. Instead of r cube, now we'll write this as A/2 cube divided by A cube into 100. So it is 4/3 into pi into, now this A/2 is, after taking its cube, becomes A cube divided by 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 into, now this A cube, write it as 1/A cube into 100, so it is 100. So cancel some terms, this A cube is cancelled, then this 4 ones are 1, 4 2s are 8, so it becomes pi divided by 3 into 2 into 100, or pi by 6 into 100. Now substitute the value of pi as 3.14 into 100 divided by 6. It comes 100 into 314, it is 314 by 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30, then 1 6 2s are 12, then 2 6 3s are 18. So it is about 52.3% packing efficiency. So that was the packing efficiency in case of simple cubic unit cell. Now let's move towards the second one, that is body centered cubic. So packing efficiency in body centered cubic lattice. Now formula is same. Packing efficiency is volume of number of atoms present in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Now in case of body centered cubic unit cell, we know there are total 8 atoms at the corners and 1 atom is present in the center. So number of atoms present are, in case of body centered cubic, is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So there are 2 atoms. The volume of one atom, considering it as a sphere, is 4 by 3 into pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell, that is a cube. Again same, convert this a or express that r in terms of a. For that, see the diagram of body centered cubic unit cell. So this is lattice. So this is cubic unit cell. One atom is present at the center. One at one corner, another corner, then corner, then corner. So 4 atoms at 4 corners are going to total 8 corners. 1 atom in the center. This one. This one is in the center. If you cut it centrally, cut it from center and try to look at the cut, you will see that this cubic unit cell, the one atom is present at the center, one at this corner, another at this corner. So from one corner to another corner, this much. That distance, this much distance, this much distance is r plus r plus r plus r. So let us give this as a name, triangle. This is a triangle A B C. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, if you see, now our target here is convert value of r into a. That is our target. Okay. So in case of triangle, applying Pythagoras equation is this is 90-degree angle. We have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now this AB is edge length, its value is a. Therefore AC square is equals to a square plus BC square. Right? Now consider another triangle. The triangle, say, give it as a D name, this one. This is again a rectangle. In case of triangle BCD, this one, this BCD. So triangle BCD, apply Pythagoras. What happens? So this BC square is equals to this BD square plus this CD square. The value of BD is a, value of CD is a. So it is a square plus a square. So BC square finally is equals to 2a square. Now substitute this value of BC here, we get AC square is equals to A square plus 2A square, because the value of BC square is 2A square. So finally, substituting the value of AC as 4R, it is squared. So 4R square is equals to 2A plus A, 3A square. Now taking square root, it becomes 4R is equals to A root 3, or R is equals to A root 3 divided by 4. So that is the relationship between R and A in case of body centered QB. So value of R is A root 3 by 4. Again, substitute the same into the packing efficiency is equals to number of atoms 2 in case of body centered QB. Formula 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A square into 100, or it is 2 into 4 by 3 into pi into, now remember the value of this R is A root 3 by 4, this one. Value of R is A root 3 by 4. So substitute this value as A root 3 divided by 4 cube divided by A cube, into 100. Now simplify it. What happens? So 2 into 4 by 3 into pi into, now this A, this one, A root 3 by 4 cube is A cube into root 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So this root 3 becomes 3 into 3, it is 3 root 3. Okay, so you can write it as a 3 root 3 into 100 as it is. So let us cancel some things. So this 3 cancelled. This is 4 into 2, 8, right? 4 into 2, 8. So 8 was the 1, 8 is the 64. So the remaining terms again, and that was divided by A cube, don't forget that. Cancelled. A cube is cancelled. Then remaining terms are this pi, this root 3, 8 and 100, right? So pi root 3 divided by 8 into 100, how much? Value of pi is 3.14 into root 3 into 100 divided by 8. What is the value? So it is 314 into root 3 divided by 8. The value is 68%, right? Now let us go for the third, that is face centered cubic. So packing efficiency in face centered cubic unit cell. First step. So in case of face centered cubic unit cell, obviously there are 8 atoms at 8 corners, 1 atom in the face. Okay, so if you see face, 1 atom is present in the face, and there are total 4 corners of the face. Okay, then if you draw a line through it, this distance is named A, this one is B, this one is C. Obviously this one is edge length A. It is cubic unit cell, so all lengths are same. Now if you see this distance AC here is R, again R plus R plus R. So distance AC is 4R, right? Now our target is same, convert that edge length A into radius of the particle. So we have equation packing efficiency is equals to number of particles. So this is face centered cubic, here number of particles are 4. Now we are considering them as a sphere, so their volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube cube, volume of cube is a cube multiplied by 100. Now simply substitute the values we got. You can see this now, this one. So for triangle ABC, we have this AC square, as it is 90-degree angle, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Now see, the value of this AC square is equals to AB. Value of AB is edge length A, so A square. BC is again edge length A, so A square. So AC square is equals to 2A square. Okay, but AC is equals to 4R. Therefore AC square will be equals to 4R square is equals to A square plus A square, or it is 2A square. Taking square root, we get 4R is equals to root 2 into A, or R is equals to A root 2 by 4, or A root 2. Instead of 4 you can write 2 into root 2 into root 2, root 2, root 2 cancel. You can write R as A divided by 2 root 2. So instead of R you can write A root 2. So we have equation that is packing efficiency is equals to number of atoms 4, volume of 1 is 4 by 3 pi R cube. So value of R is this A divided by 2 root 2. So A divided by 2 root 2 cube divided by A cube into 100. So simplified, it is 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 1 upon A cube into pi into A cube divided by, it is 2 cube, that is 8 root 2 3 times, it is 2 root 2 into 100. So simplified, A cube cancelled. 4 1 4, 4 2 2 2 4 4. Okay, then remaining amount is this pi and 100 divided by how much? 3 root 2. Okay, now try to solve it. Now substitute the value of pi as 3.14 into 100 divided by 3 root 2. You will get it as a 74%. Okay, that means highest packing efficiency in all. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, comment, or you want to learn anything, comment. We'll try to teach that point, or we'll try to discuss that point for you. Okay, so if you like it, then like. For any query, comment and share it with friends so they get benefited from this. Okay, so bye for today. We'll see you next time.